let's see how to build a custom GPT for your website. So in this video I will be building the GPT from scratch and also show a live demo of how this can be actually installed in a website as well. So let's get started over here. So when it comes to custom GPTs, you can actually provide the information in a PDF document as well. So with the new release of OpenAI's Assistant API, you have the capability to upload whatever the files you want, and based on those files you can actually answer the questions asked by the customers. So here we have some kind of data over here in regards to the goal driven fitness. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to simply convert this information to a PDF document over here. Okay, done. So now we are going to make sure the OpenAI connection is set up over here. So for that you have to go to settings, and in the integrations make sure you copy paste the API keys from OpenAI to a platform over here. So once you are done with it, you can actually create the assistants over here. The AI assistant allow you to respond to the customers based on the business data, and also you can actually upload any kind of files as well. So let me click on manage over here. So here we are actually going to create a new assistant for this specific business. So here let me create a new assistant, name it as goal driven fitness. So it actually goes to creating the new assistant, and it says the name is goal driven fitness. So let me, you are a helpful assistant to goal driven fitness. Let me do that. And here you have to choose a GPT for Turbo over here if you're actually uploading any kind of files over here. The file has been uploaded. Here you can actually use ChatGPT triggers as well. So ChatGPT triggers actually allows you to collect whatever the business information you want to collect, or whatever the data you want to collect from the customers. For now I'm going to leave it as it is. After a few tests I will show how this actually works. So I am just creating the new assistant over here. As you see here, assistant has been created. So let me go back over here to the integrations. So we want to activate the assistant we just created. For that you have to choose this OpenAI ChatGPT over here. And here in the assistant tab, just choose this goal driven fitness and click continue over here. And here if you want the assistant to respond to the customers, so you can even build customized chatbot flows over here as well. So let me choose one of the free template flow. For example, this is instant quote calculator. So here you can actually build customized templates as well, but in this case if you want to use this assistant to respond to the customers, you can simply switch this on over here, automated responses. So it says automatically use ChatGPT to respond to customers before triggering the default reply. So here you can simply choose it and save it. So our platform actually support multiple channels. So we actually support up to 9 channels at the moment: Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS, Google Business, Telegram, Viber, Voice, and also the web chat as well. So this particular assistant can actually work on whatever the channels you have over here. So let me show how this can actually works on Instagram over here. The message hi and it respond like this. So let me ask questions as well. So here, certified personal trainer. So the address actually respond exactly correctly over here. And let me ask, why should I choose goal driven fitness? And let's see how this actually respond to us over here. So it should respond to us with the accountability, safety, those kind of things. As you see, it says accountability, safety, those kind of things already mentioned over here. So this is just a demo on the Instagram. So however this can actually works on other channels like WhatsApp, Instagram, those kind of things as well. The main goal of this particular video is to showcase how to add this particular custom GPT to your website as well. So here what you can do is let me go to the flows over here. So whenever a particular person tap on your web chat widget, we want to send a message. Let's say welcome fitness. So let me simply copy and paste this one over here. So let's actually create a welcome message over here. So let me click add text over here. Welcome to, let's send this kind of how can I today. So here you can even add gifs, those kind of things as well. So let's keep this simple. So here we have actually created the welcome message as well. When someone actually tap a chat widget on the landing page, we can actually do that as well. So here we can use our let me copy paste this one over here. So we can actually use this landing page tool over here to test the chat widget of how this actually looks like. So you have to simply get the code over here. Let me explain how to get the web chat widget code. So you can go to the web chat from this particular analytics tabs, click on manage. Here you can actually get the link as well, so you can get the link and test it yourself as well. So here if I get the link and let me choose this one, and here you can choose the brand color, those kind of things. So here let me get the link, so you can actually use this link and test the chat widget as well. Otherwise you can actually use this generate code. So it simply generate a code for you, and which you can actually install in your website, photo, or on any kind of page on your website. So here let's see. So it says welcome to Goal Driven Fitness, how can I help you today? Here let me explain how to generate the code over here. Generate code and simply copy the code. So to test this code, we are going to use this landing page tool. So here we have this landing page tool where you can actually create a landing page within a chatbot as well. So you can actually add headlines, text, image, those kind of things. So here you have to choose the code option over here and simply paste whatever the code over here, and you have to publish this one as well. So here you can actually generate get the published link over here, and as you see here we are able to load a chat widget over here. So if you click on this chat widget, it should say how can I help you, something like that. Welcome to Goal Driven Fitness, how can I help you, something like that. So here what you can do here is that you can even change the color of this chat widget. Those kind of things are possible as well. So here if you want to change the color to red, you can do that easily, and you can change the header to a different demo chatting media. So at the moment it should say like a chatting media. If you want to change to demo chatting media, you can do that, publish. So now it should change to red and it should say demo chatting media, and it's already changed to red and it should say demo chatting media over here. So that's how you can actually generate the code using our code generator over here and choose whatever the welcome message you want to have. So even you can change the color of the chat widget from here as well when generating the code, and you can do the customization likewise over here. You can even use the messenger chat widget as well. So let me show how to generate that code as well. So here if I go to settings and channels, if I go to Facebook Messenger, and here you have this messenger chat plugin option as well, and here you can simply choose the welcome message again as this one. So you can actually add whatever the grading you want. Let me add hey over here, let's see what happens, and let me copy this code over here. So here let me add a new landing page tool over here. So you can name this as messenger, so because this is a messenger web chat widget. So here let me add the code over here, paste it. So this is just a web chat widget. Let me get the link. So as you see here, we can actually see the messenger widget over here. So this is powered by messenger widget. The customers can actually start the chat by logging to their Facebook account as well. So this is that's the web chat widget without the Facebook limitations over here. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.